back to my channel. Hope you all are having a great day. I am having a wonderful day. So in honor of this beautiful sunny day I'm having in Southern California, I decided to do this beautiful ocean blue inspired eyeshadow look. I am still high off of my last vacation, so I'm feeling everything tropical, honey. So we're gonna get right into this, but before we do, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and turn on post notifications so you will not miss out when I'm posting a new video. Now, I did go in with my eyebrows as usual, and I went in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Femme to carve out the top of my eyebrows, and we're just gonna put that on top of the eyebrows and then grab our sponge and blend it out. Now I'm going in with that Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige, and we are just gonna carve out underneath the eyebrow. And it's okay if you mess up, you can always go back in with your eyebrow pencil and kind of just shade in those areas that you messed up and then go back over with more concealer. And then again, just blend it out. And you see, that's what I'm doing here. I messed up in some areas, so I just go back over it with my eyebrow pencil and blend, blend, blend. Now I just took my spoolie and I am just kind of brushing through those eyebrows and giving more of an ombre effect at the beginning of the eyebrow to make for a more natural look. And then I'll take whatever is left on that sponge and just kind of go into that eyebrow. There we have it. Now I'm going in with my P. Louise base in the color Rumor 0. And we're just going to put that all over our lid. And then I'm going to just take this brush and just blend that primer out all over the eye. And I'm just taking this Morphe M506 brush in my Wahala 2 palette. Y'all, I'm still in it. And I'm going in with that pretty blue color called Dream. And then I'm just gonna go right above my natural crease and just pat that color in first before we kind of blend it out. And as you can see, I'm kind of rounding it out on the edge and bringing it down into the crease a little bit. And I'm sorry for that autofocus, y'all. It's just because when I put the brush in a certain position, it tries to focus on the brush and not my face. So sorry about that. Now I'm going in with this color called Jealous. And I'm gonna go ahead and just paste that slightly on top of that Dream color, on top and right above. But I don't want to get it all the way to the brow bone. And then I just packed it on and then kind of just blended the two colors together. Now I'm taking my micellar cleansing water and we are going to go ahead and just cut our crease. And you know, I'm doing my little favorite kind of cut crease, which is like the wide swoop, like a wide S swoop. I don't know why I love this cut crease so much, but that is like my go-to cut crease. And just get all of that base off of your lid in that cut crease area, because we are going to put some new base New base. Boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, base. Now we're going to put some fresh eyeshadow base on that area. So just make sure you clean it out as good as possible. And it is all cut. Now we moved on with our back to our P. Louise base, and as you can see here, I am just tapping that base right up to that line where we cut the crease. I am not swiping or wiping, so we want to just pat that color in. I have learned during this makeup journey that you get the best results when you tap into the line and not swipe. It makes for a more crisp cut crease. And then once you have it placed where you want it to be placed, you'll just kind of just drag that color down and just fill in the rest of that area. You'll see me just fill that in here. And you see how sharp it looks now because we didn't swipe it along that line. Now I'm going in with that Warrior 3 palette by Juvia's Place. I'm using this pretty sky blue color. And we're going to take that in our inner eye and just peck that color on. And we're kind of going to bring it to the center of our lid and we'll stop there. Then I'm going in with the Zulu palette and just doing a slightly darker blue color. It's like this bluish green color. And I was just inspired by the ocean. So any color that kind of, reminds me of, pure, beautiful, tropical Caribbean ocean water. That's what I wanted to use on this look. So I just kind of blended it into that lighter blue and then brought it out to where that wing is apart. It's about to start. I cannot talk. Now I'm going back in with that Jealous color that we used in the beginning, and I am just using it to fill out the rest of that area on the cut crease and just bring it up to that line, being careful to try not to get that color into the dark blue. Now that I've got both eyes done, I am going to use that P. Louise base and we are going to carve out a wing, like as if we are doing a wing eyeliner. And you just tap it like we did with, well, I'm actually kind of swiping here, but you probably should be tapping like we did the original cut crease and just tapping out that wing shape and filling it in. And now I'm going in back to that Walhalla palette and I'm using this pretty shimmery blue color, and this is just going to act as a base for our glitter that we're going to put on. So it does not have to be perfect. As you can see on my eye there, I have some glitter. I was trying a different eyeshadow and it just was not working, y'all, so I had to go in and redo it. The good thing with makeup is you can just wipe it off and do it again if you mess up, and that's what happened. Now I'm just taking my Q-tip with some more micellar water and just kind of cleaning up that wing and just making it look more sharp. Now I'm taking my NYX glitter glue and we are going to just prime that area with the glitter glue, and I just do it a small section at a time. I'll start with the glitter glue, then I'll add a little bit of glitter, and I'm using this pretty blue glitter that I got from Amazon, and I just put that on the section that I put the glue, and then I'll go back and forth between the glue and the glitter. And you just repeat the process until you get to the edge of your wing. And now when you get to the edge or the smaller part of the wing, try to use smaller pieces of the glitter, not the chunkier bits. Use the chunkier bits for that more wide area of the wing. And I'm just scraping away some excess, but it wasn't doing nothing. So I just wasted my time. Now I'm just going in with this NYX white eyeliner, and I'm just using that in my tear duct. Not my tear duct, my waterline. I'm taking that pretty dream color again that we used on the top, and I am just putting some, using a precision brush and just smoking that line out a bit. And I put on my lashes off camera. I also just did my foundation, or set my foundation off camera, and I'm just blending it here because I really didn't want to go into foundation. I really wanted to just showcase these beautiful eyeshadows, so we're not going to focus on that. If you are interested on how I do my foundation, you could definitely go back and look at some of my previous videos, and I go into a more in-depth on how I get my foundation look. So that's that, and I'm just blending everything out. And now I am just putting on this brown lip liner that I got from Morphe. And we're just doing a basic nude lip. I'm just using this nude color that I got from NYX, a nude lipstick. And just a simple lip because we didn't want to take the focus off of the eyeshadow. Alright, loves, this is the finished look. I let down my hair and threw on some cute hoop earrings. I love how this came out. I did do my blush off camera. I actually used one of my Juvia's Place eyeshadows, and so that's a good tip. If you don't have any blush, just make sure you are not too heavy on the hands because it will come out looking crazy. But that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Bye.